Alright guys, Ryan at B&R Motorsports here. I'm going to give you a quick video with some valve seat information and valve guide information. Get a lot of questions on this. There's a lot of misconception out there of what actually is going on. So I got three different heads here in different stages of repair. A yfzr head, a Honda 450, and a Yamaha 450. When we're talking about the valve seat, we're talking about the seat in here. That is where the valve seals on. The Honda, you can see this one's really damaged. And then the Yamaha, which obviously has a ton more seats. So obviously Yamaha, you'd have 5 seats, a Honda you'd have 4, and you'd have 12 in the Yamaha's pair. So when we're talking about doing a cylinder head service, we're talking about pulling the valves, inspecting everything, cleaning it, get it back up into this condition. A regular head for a dirt bike, a single cylinder head, 4 or 5 valve head, it's $110. You get into the Yamaha heads, these are around 200, razors and stuff like that, 200, 220 to do all that. New valve seals, etc. Now, when you need any seats done, we can cut the seats, whereas we use a Rottler machine here, state of the art, to cut your valve seats. You cut the valve seats when they're pitted and they're not sealing properly. You can only cut the valve seats so much before you'll no longer be able to get your valve clearance in your valves. So they've been cut a few times, might not be able to be cut again. Something we always get is, I put new valves in, I can't shim my valves, my seats need cut. Well, if you put new valves in and your valves won't shim, your seats don't need cut, they need to be replaced. So we actually have to put it on this machine and cut the seat out, press a new seat in, and then cut the face on the seat again. It's a couple different valve seats here I have. This is what a valve seat, this is a copper beryllium valve seat here. High-end valve seat, very expensive, Excelodyne. This is a nickel valve seat, a little bit cheaper, more reasonably priced, kibble white seat. Well, these seats actually go into these cylinder heads. So they're machined out, cut in, installed, and then recut. So when we're talking about pricing on valves, we need to know whether we're going to replace the seat or cut the seat. Now we call it per hole. So each hole where a valve goes is per hole. So when we cut a valve seat, we charge $30 per hole for most cylinder heads. So this Yamaha, you would have 30, 30, 30, 30, and 30 if you cut all 5 seats. Now rarely do all 5 seats need to be cut. Usually maybe the intakes or the exhaust, whatever. Now when we're replacing a seat, we have to cut the old seat out, install a new seat, and then recut. So you're going to have the price of the seat, the price of machining the seat out, installing the new seat, and then recutting the seat. So to machine the seat out and press a new seat in, it's 30. It's also 30 to cut the new seat. So it's 60 per hole to replace the seat, plus the price of the seat. Now the seats can vary. They can be as cheap as 20, 25 bucks a piece. They can be up to $50, $60 a seat. So it just depends on what you want your cylinder head to do, how often you want to service your head, what kind of heat dissipation you're trying to get. So this head here is going to be able to be just cut. This head here, as you can see, this valve seat is destroyed. So this seat will need to be replaced, and we'll replace them in pairs so that way they shim up the same. If you just replace this seat, not this one, you could have very low shim here, the higher shim here. So we're going to do both of these at the same time. Going to replace these with these seats. So that's what that looks like. So just so you guys know, when we're talking about valve seats and etc., you'll have a better understanding of how this works and how the pricing works. So hopefully that clears up some common questions that we get. You'll hear a lot of guys say, oh, you can do it cheaper, you can do this. Well, they're using hand cutters. The seals aren't as great. This is on a very expensive machine, the built-in vacuum tester. When we cut these precision, we can do 3-angle, 5-angle, or radius cut on this machine. So that's just a little background information. Go to bnrmotorsports.com, check out our forms and info. We can line you up on any of these cylinder heads for your power sports needs. Razors, Mavericks, YXZs, TRX, CRF, YZ, you name it, 4 strokes, it's our specialty. So look us up. Thank you.